But of course, principle of investment, the higher the risk, no, the higher the growth, no, or potential for growth, no, the lower the risk, the lower potential for growth, no. So ganun lang 'yon. Kaya nasa inyong choice, no. Eventually, at the end of the day, it's your choice which one you would invest in. But as a personal experience, no, of mine, no, I go for mutual funds because again, it is not subject to 20% withholding tax, no, and in a way, you are protected by way of limiting the investment company or the fund manager to invest your portfolio to more than 10% of the portfolio to a single stock, no, which is very dangerous, no, as far as I'm concerned. Hi, I'm Nats Goldian. Welcome to my investment guide. Our discussion is on mutual funds and UITF. No, basically we will tackle what's the difference between the two, which is the better investment vehicle. No, but before we proceed, if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm Nats Goldian, and we make weekly contents on personal finance. No. And just a form disclaimer, I am not a financial guru. My perspective is on the side of an ordinary entrepreneur, an ordinary working class, an ordinary investor, an ordinary Juan de la Cruz, just like you and me. No? So before you indulge into investments, no, please make the due diligence of studying all your options, all your business and investment options. For at the end of the day, it's your money. No, it's your loss, it's your gain, it's your responsibility. No, or better yet, consult a licensed financial advisor or a registered financial planner to guide you in your investment journey. No, so ano ba yung pinagkaiba nitong UITF or Unit Investment Trust Fund, no, UITF, and ng mutual funds, no? So basically, they are both pooled funds pulled together to form a larger fund, no, entrusted to an investment company in the case of mutual funds, or in a trust unit of a bank in the case of UITF, no. And these companies hire fund managers to manage the general fund and invest the same to the different asset classes like equities, no, in bonds or in money market, no. So halos pareho lang talaga yung mutual funds and UITF, except for certain points like in regulation. Mutual funds are regulated by the Security and Exchange Commission, it being a company, a registered company, no. While on the other hand, UITFs are regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or BSP, it being part of the banking system, no. But lately, investment companies have been authorized to have UITFs din, no. For example, Atram, no. Ang Atram ay isang investment company that runs UITFs, no. So basically, in regulation, mutual funds, SEC, UITFs, BSP, no. In as far as shareholder rights are concerned, if you are a subscriber of mutual funds, you have shareholder rights, no, not in the underlying assets, but in the mutual company, no. For example, your mutual company is invested in San Miguel, no. So, being a subscriber of the mutual fund, you are not automatically a shareholder of San Miguel. You are a shareholder of the mutual fund. No? On the other hand, in UITFs, there is no shareholder rights. No? In as far as valuation is concerned, in mutual funds, it's called NAV-PS or net asset value per share. No? While on the other hand, in UITF, it is NAV-PS, net asset value per unit o NAV-PU. No? Ano ba yung valuation? Yung valuation ay yung basis ng inyong ownership of the mutual fund doon sa mutual funds or yung participation nyo kung ito ay UITF, no? In as far as instrument is concerned, so mutual funds, it's called common shares, while in UITF it's called unit or units of participation. No? Are your investments in mutual funds and UITF insured by PDIC? Both. The answer is no. They are not insured by PDIC. These are investments. No. So, what's the besides what I have mentioned? What is the major difference between the two? This is my personal experience. No, I noticed that in mutual funds, no, the earnings, no, the earnings in mutual funds are not subject to withholding tax. No, because there is a law exempting mutual funds from withholding tax. The reason for which, no, the reason at the entry or the wisdom behind is to encourage retail investors, no, to participate, the common Filipino, to participate in the growth of an economy, no, by investing. While on the other hand, in UITF, no, I experienced this personally, although there is a debate on it. It is subjected to 20% withholding tax, no? So that's one major difference between the two, no? And one more glaring difference between the two is that in mutual funds, as a matter of law, they can only allocate 10% of their portfolio into a single stock, no, to protect, no, their investors, no. Parang the concept is diversification, no. So again, they are prohibited from investing more than 10% to a single company, no. While on the other hand, it is the opposite in UITF. They are not regulated to allocate certain percentage to a particular number of stocks or to a particular stock only, no. So if they feel that this particular stock is growing, no, or has a potential growth, they can invest more than 10% to that company. So the growth potential in UITF is basically, if you look at that, enormous and very promising, no. But of course, principle of investment, the higher the risk, no, the higher the growth, no, or potential for growth, no. The lower the risk, the lower potential for growth, no. So ganun lang yon. Kaya nasa inyong choice, no. Eventually, at the end of the day, it's your choice which one you would invest in. But as a personal experience, no, of mine, no, I go for mutual funds because again, it is not subject to 20% withholding tax, no, and in a way, you are protected by way of limiting the investment company or the fund manager to invest your portfolio to more than 10% of the portfolio to a single stock, no, which is very dangerous, no, as far as I'm concerned. So that is the difference between mutual funds and UITF, no? If you are just beginning your investment, if you are just a newbie in the world of investment, I suggest that you try first mutual funds and UITF, no? I have a separate video, no, or videos for both, no, UITF and mutual funds. I'll put the link below. You may want to watch that. I have also a video on how to start investing in the stock market, no? You may want to watch that, no? Again, this is Nats Golia of My Investment Guide. Grow your wealth, protect it, and invest more. Dankeschön!